In the fast-paced realm of digital content creation, the advent of YouTube Shorts has marked a significant shift, emphasizing brevity and engagement. As content creators and businesses leverage this feature to reach wider audiences, AI tools have surfaced, promising to simplify and elevate the creation of YouTube Shorts from existing videos. This video highlights some of the best AI tools to create YouTube Shorts from existing videos. Let's get started. Vizard, where virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, get their groove on. This bad boy has all the bells and whistles to make creators, developers, and businesses drool over its AR and VR capabilities. It's like a Swiss Army knife for tech enthusiasts. Vizard, the chameleon of software, adapting and playing nice with all the cool kids. It's got all the VR and AR hardware hookups, so it's perfect for everything from gaming to learning. With its intuitive interface and scripting superpowers, this tool lets you whip up VR and AR content like a pro. It's a playground for both newbies and seasoned devs. Vizard's got the real-time interaction and physics simulation game on lock. It's like stepping into a virtual world that's so lifelike, you'll forget it's not real. Perfect for architectural visualization and medical simulations, because who needs reality when you've got Vizard? Not to mention, Vizard's got a library packed with pre-built content and models that'll have you developing faster than a speeding bullet. No need to start from square one, my friend. This bad boy is a pro at 3D modeling and animation. Plus, it's got the smarts to play nice with external data sources and APIs. Perfect for businesses and brainy researchers. Sure, there's a bit of a learning curve for VR and AR development, but don't worry. Vizard's got your back with a helpful user community and top-notch documentation. Vizard, the superhero of VR and AR. It's like having a magic wand to create mind-blowing experiences. From immersive worlds to interactive wonders, it's the ultimate tool for any industry. Clip, the AI-powered wizard that effortlessly turns YouTube videos into snappy shorts. This bad boy is all about speed. Clip, the snip and trim wizard for videos, making content creators say time saved, mission accomplished. With this speed advantage, you'll be turning lengthy YouTube content into snappy, attention-grabbing videos faster than you can say lights, camera, action. But, like all good things, there's a tiny catch. Clip is all about speed, but it can leave you feeling like you're on a roller coaster of clip chaos. Don't fall into this trap. Keep your content flowing smoothly and making sense. Clip speed is like lightning on steroids, perfect for creators who are always racing against the clock or need to whip up short content in a flash. Clip is the bomb diggity for turning your YouTube masterpieces into snazzy shorts with zero drama. Video, where video conferencing gets a serious upgrade. Get ready for a virtual meeting experience that's off the charts. Video stands out with its killer video quality, rocking adaptability to any network and 4K resolution support. No more fuzzy video calls, even when your internet is feeling a bit under the weather. Video's content sharing and screen sharing features are so smooth, it's like butter. Sharing documents, presentations, and applications during meetings has never been easier. Video's got your back with top-notch security features like end-to-end encryption and customizable access controls. Your secrets are safe with them. This platform can handle small team huddles and big webinars like a boss. Video's got a user interface that's as easy as pie, and it plays nice with all sorts of devices. No exclusivity here, everyone's invited to the party. Video's got all the bells and whistles, but watch out for the price tag, especially if you're a small fish in the business pond. If you're after top-notch video conferencing and collaboration tools, Video is the bee's knees. It's got killer video quality, top-notch security, and can scale like nobody's business. Too short, the AI wizard that turns YouTube videos into captivating shorts. It's got an interface that's as intuitive as a magic 8-ball and a user experience so friendly it could win a popularity contest. With Too Short, you can snip, clip, and whip your videos into snappy, eye-catching masterpieces. One of its standout perks is its simplicity, no frills attached. This tool is so user-friendly, it practically holds your hand through the tech jungle. With Too Short, you'll be slicing and dicing your videos like a pro in no time. Just pick your favorite parts and let the magic happen. Well, Too Short does have a teensy-weensy drawback. Sure, it's like the fast food of editing tools, quick and basic, but not quite as fancy as the others. If you're feeling fancy and want to up your transition game, add some pizzazz with effects, or get your voiceover on, it's time to venture into the world of alternative options. If you're tired of long YouTube videos and want a quick fix, look no further than Too Short. It's the perfect solution for snappy shorts. With its efficiency and user-friendliness, it's like having a secret weapon in every content creator's arsenal. Voila! Behold our fabulous 5 AI tools, ready to turn your YouTube masterpieces into mesmerizing mini-movies. Every tool has its own special powers and kryptonite, so pick the one that's your content creation superhero. No matter what kind of wizardry you're into, there's an AI tool that's got your back. Speed, transitions, effects, voiceovers, animations, you name it, they've got it covered. Wave goodbye to those never-ending videos and welcome the enchantment of shorts. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to keep the enchanting content flowing. Thanks for gracing us with your presence today, and catch you on the flip side in the next video. Get your creative juices flowing and let the magic happen.